Okay, here's an example of a proof that you could do. And what I've done is I've turned this into a card sort. I have all of my all of my statements here, all scrambled. And I've got all my justifications that I need, and those are all scrambled. And here's the object we're talking about. And we're trying to do a proof to prove that TD is equal to RO. So I'm trying to prove that TD and RO are the same size, but I need to connect the dots. So what I know is I know how my proof ends. TD is equal to RO. So I'm gonna pull that one out. I know this is the very end, so I'm gonna put it down there at the bottom. I've got some given things, ET and IR. ET and IR, that's a given. So I'm gonna go over, I'm gonna grab a given. Those are given together. I also have ER and TI. ER and TI, that is also a given. I'm gonna put those together. Now, if I'm looking at that, I've got this triangle right here, and it's this same triangle is there. It just needs an EI. I also have an EI is congruent to EI because it's congruent to itself. That's a reflexive property. Gonna bring that in there. Okay, I can now prove that the two triangles, this half and this half, are the same size. So let's see, TE, no, not that triangle. Let's see, ETI, let's see, ETI and IRE. Those are congruent. And notice it's a side, side, side. So I'm gonna come over. I've got a side, side, side right here. So those things I now know are true. And now we're gonna have to dive into this now because none of these actually use TD and Q or OR yet. So I need to come in here and I'll zoom out a little. I see I've got a 90-degree angle right there and a 90-degree angle. Well, I've got this little statement that says these two angles are the same size because they're 90 degrees. I look over at my reasons. Right angles are congruent. I'm going to bring that guy in there. Let's see, if I could prove that TED is the same as Rio, TED is the same as RIO, I would then have what I'm looking for with TD and RO. So what else do we need there? We already have TE from up above. ET and RI, we already had that. That was already a given. Where's this angle right here? We have, TED. Angle TED, TED right here, is the same as this one right here, OIR, because of corresponding parts of congruent triangles. We know that is true, which means that this triangle here, using two angles, angle, and a side. Let's see, it's angle, and a side are going to make those triangles congruent, which says since TD and RO are in those triangles and they match up by corresponding parts of congruent triangles, they are congruent. So we've gone from here, we have proved the thing we were trying to prove. I'll zoom out. You can just take a look at that right there. And it has been proved. All right, hopefully you can do something similar to this. You can use a whiteboard, you could make a video, but pick one of the proofs and see if you can do something like this.